Hello! In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card into RedMagic 9S Pro. So to insert a SIM card into this device you have to have a SIM tray key like this, and then simply you have to press this SIM tray key into this hole. And now your SIM tray should pop up and you can pull it out completely. And now you have to place your SIM card on your SIM tray like this. And now you can put your SIM tray back into your device. And now my SIM card should work. And as you can see by network bars right here in the corner, my SIM card now is detected by my device. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.